students. In the last class we have discussed from question number 1 to 3. Today we will be looking for question number 4. In question number 4 we will be learning how to compare the two given rational numbers. Okay? We will be comparing. Comparing means that you should be able to tell which of the given two rational number is greater and which one is the smaller. So in first part they have given 15 upon 32 and 17 upon 24. 15 upon 32 and 17 upon 24. So these are the two rational numbers which you are supposed to be comparing. So for this, first of all, you are supposed to be calculating the LCM of both the denominators of the given rational numbers. So LCM of 32 and 24. LCM of 32 and 24 will be calculated. Okay. LCM would be 96. Okay. You can take the LCM of 32 and 24. It will come out to be 96. Now next step is that we will be converting the denominators of both the numbers, which will be equal to 96. 96 में convert करेंगे. So for this we will be writing 15 upon 32. 32 को 3 से multiply करेंगे तो 96 होगा. So for that we will be multiplying the numerator with the same number. Now in 17 upon 24, 24 को 4 से multiply करेंगे then it will become 96. इसको 4 से करेंगे तो इसको भी 4 से multiply करना. So we will be getting from here we will be getting 45 upon 96 and from here we will be getting 51 upon 96. So clearly we can see that 51 upon 96 is a greater number क्योंकि दोनों denominator कैसे हैं same है. So from here we can say that 17 upon 24 जो है वो बड़ा है as compared to 15 upon 32. So this is how you will be proceeding to the other questions of this question number 4. Similarly you will be following the steps. First of all, you have to take the LCM of the denominators of the given rational numbers. Then you have to convert the denominators into the obtained LCM, and then you will be able to find out that which of the given rational number is smaller and which one is greater. Now moving further to question number 5. In question number 5 also they are saying that you have to arrange the given rational numbers into ascending order. So for this also you will be applying the same thing which I have told you in comparison of the rational numbers. I will be solving one part for you. The first part is saying that 5 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9, 11 upon 12 and 13 upon 18. These are the four rational numbers and you are supposed to be arranging these into the ascending order. Okay. So first of all, what we will be doing, we will be calculating the LCM of all the denominators. LCM of 6, 9, 12 and 18. Okay. So LCM of 6, 9, 12, 18 will be come out to be 36. Okay. You can find the LCM separately. So LCM will be coming out to be 36. Now second thing is that you have to change all the denominators into 36. सभी denominators को आपको 36 में change करना है. Okay, the first fraction is 5 upon 6. 6 को 36 बनाने के लिए we will multiply this with 6, तो numerator को भी 6 से multiply करें. Next में 7 upon 9. 9 को 36 बनाने के लिए 4 से multiply, ऊपर भी 4 से multiply. Then 11 upon 12. 12 को 36 बनाने के लिए 3 से multiply, तो numerator को भी 3 से multiply. And 13 upon 18. अगर आपको 18 को 36 बनाना है तो 2 से multiply, तो numerator को भी 2 से multiply करेंगे. Okay? So this is the scenario which you have to do. This will give us 30 upon 36. This will give us 28 upon 36. this will be giving 33 upon 36, and ultimately this will give us 39 upon 36. Now we have four rational numbers जिनके चारों के denominator same है. So from here we can easily compare that which one is the least and which one is the greatest rational number. So from here we can clearly see सबसे छोटा कौन सा है 28 upon 36 और ये किससे corresponding है 7 upon 9 के. Therefore 7 upon 9 जो है वो सबसे छोटा rational number है. ठीक है. Then we will be putting a less than sign. सेकेंड नंबर पे कौन सा होगा 30 upon 36 जो कि 5 upon 6 से corresponding है. We will be writing 5 upon 6. Then less than sign. Next one will be our 33 upon 36 which is corresponding of 11 upon 12. Writing 11 upon 12 here, and ultimately last में कौन सबसे बड़ा है 39 upon 36 which is corresponding to 13 upon 18. Okay, so this will be the correct order of the ascending of these given rational numbers. Okay. Now similarly you can solve all the other parts. I'll be telling one more for you. Then you are supposed to be solving all the parts of question number 4 and also question number 5. Let's see part number 3 as well. Part number 3, question number 5. The rational numbers which are given are -2. -2 को हम लोग -2 upon 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Second one is 1 upon 3. Third one is -13 upon 6. -13 upon 6. And the last one is 8 upon -3. और 8 upon -3 को we can write -8 upon 3. नेगेटिव साइन जो है हम लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि न्यूमरेटर में लगाया जाए. So this is the question you are provided with. Okay. Now what you will be doing, you will be again finding the LCM of the given denominators. So LCM of 1, 3, 6 and 3 will be equal to 6. Okay. इन सभी का LCM कितना आएगा 6. Again we have to follow the same procedure. You are supposed to be converting all the denominators equal to 6. So for that what we will be doing, -2 upon 1 और 1 को 6 बनाना है तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई. Numerator will also be multiplied with 6. Similarly second one is 1 upon 3. 3 को 6 बनाने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, then numerator will also be multiplied with 2. Same here -13 upon 6. This is already 6 तो किसी से मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मतलब कि 1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now last one is -8 upon 3. 3 को 6 कन्वर्ट करेंगे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and this is the scenario. This will give us -12 upon 6. This will give us 2 upon 6. This is -13 upon 6 and this last one is -16 upon 6. Okay. Now you have to compare the given rational numbers and arrange them into ascending order. So we can clearly see सबसे छोटी वैल्यू कौन सी है -16. Okay. So we can clearly say कि यह जो होगा corresponding rational number ये सबसे छोटा होगा. We will be writing -8 upon 3 सबसे छोटा rational number है. Put a less than sign. Second number पे कौन छोटा है -13 upon 6 और same वैल्यू यहाँ पे भी है -13 upon 6. Now next one is -12 upon 6. इससे corresponding कौन सी वैल्यू है -2 तो आएगा आपका -2. और लास्ट में सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू कौन सी है 2 upon 6. इससे corresponding कौन सा रेशनल नंबर है 1 upon 3. Okay, this is the correct order of the ascending of this